remember just getting started in network marketing. And the crazy part is, I see so many leaders in here in this company that I used to stay up all night, looking in the mirror and saying, I'm gonna be like this. 18s before, I made 6 figures before, and I lost it all multiple times, and did it again multiple times. So it got to the point where I was like, you know what? I'm kind of tired of this. I'm still young, and I believe in, taking losses, because you gotta take losses if you want to be boss. That's like you just have to. You can't teach somebody something if you've never been through it. You can't uplift somebody if you've never been through it. So I take every loss with pride. Yo, what's going on, everybody? We out here in beautiful Houston, Texas, everybody. We just had an amazing event yesterday. Over 2,000 people traveled in from all across the world. We gave out so many recognitions for new ranks. And I told you guys about 2 months ago, we were launching something huge. In those 2 months, we brought in close to 600 new business partners. And yesterday we had to celebrate, right? We had to just do a little celebration and recognize some of the leaders in our company. And what we're doing right now, we're still open arms to any builders, anybody that's serious about promoting a company that's really can have the newest person in your business winning, no matter if they have influence over people or not, so we build big teams. So you guys see Houston, come on. We got the nice vacation home. It's a 3-story. Some of the awards from yesterday. I got the IML comeback kid because, hit a rank early in this business. Things happen, hit it again. And right here, this is Chairman 50. This is minimum 50,000 a month. And you need 2,500 members to hit Chairman 50. Come on. We got the 2nd floor living room, kitchen. Everybody in the team, they just caught their flights out, so a lot of people left already, but we're gonna just show y'all what's going on. To get with us, start with us, which all you gotta do is click the link below, click the button below, or whatever is below, and get started. Reach out to us however you can. You can reach me on Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat. I'll put the description below on how you can reach out to me. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, in order for you to have the type of results we have, you have to have an undeniable product. Not just a good one, you need an undeniable one. So we have that. We'll offer you to come with us and win with us. So let's get it.